Okay, this video is for after 3 hours of setup. Again, test tube A, still nothing happening in that balloon. The rest do have gas in them. What I'm seeing now is that the amount of and the rate of bubble production has definitely decreased. I mean, there are bubbles still in the test tube, but no more being formed. In test tube B, it has definitely, the height of the liquid has gone down. There are bubbles, but no more are being formed, so it's looking more like test tube A. Test tube C, D, and E are still producing bubbles. From what I can tell, test tube C and E are producing the most, and well, test tube E is producing bubbles the most rapidly. It's still pretty active in there. In test tube C, not quite as active, but bubbles are definitely still forming. And in test tube D, which I find a little surprising, I would think it would be reversed. In test tube D, there are some bubbles forming, but you have to look really closely to see those small bubbles rising. So this is what we have right now. And I want to make note that this is not the same class for the first two videos. This is the period 5 setup. So the red marks aren't there to show you the change in bubbles. But hopefully I can make one more video and you can see what period 7 did after 3 hours. Okay, so that's all for now. You can see all of the data and circumferences in our data table, and we can go from there.